No shit, my skinny fats. I love their food and their clothes gone. They were there for a very, very long time. I'm trying to... There used to be a Skinny Fats in the district. And I don't think that's there. I don't ever remember seeing it there. It could be there, I just didn't notice it, but I'm just saying a lot of times I get Skinny Fats on DoorDash, and you know, you don't want it coming from 10 miles away, you know what I'm saying? You want it, I prefer to get my food fresh. They've got a good deal. Skinny Fats has got a good deal on DoorDash. I was gonna probably get that later this week after I get Crazy Pita one more time, because that deal is on there again. So I'm gonna get it again probably today or something. I don't know when. But Skinny Fats has got a good deal too, but I don't know where the store would be now. I'll have to do some research on that. I don't know where the closest store is. That Skinny Fats, it closed within the last 2 weeks. And that other store popped up right away. Wow. That Skinny Fats location used to do pretty good, you know what I'm saying, back in the day. It used to be a pretty poppin' place every time I went in there. But their prices have been increased quite a bit through the years. And that may have done them in too, you know what I'm saying? Raising their prices so much that people said, okay, you know, you're no longer a good value. So you just lost my business. Check this place out, man. This is right next to my house. Pizza Heroes. I'm sure they suck. You know, I had a good deal with Pizza Rock too on DoorDash. It was spend $55 and you get 23 bucks off. So I got a couple of pizzas. $56. I had to get over the 55 to get the 23. Ultimately, I think I spent $2 or something like that, with the tip and everything. And their ingredients are, they popped. It's very, very tasty. The ground beef is very tasty. The pepperoni is very tasty. The sausage is very tasty. The crust is very good. And the best pizzas in America, Pizza Rock is number 28. It's a very good pizza. The only thing I didn't like about it was it was a skimpy ass 13-inch pizza. You know what I'm saying? I'm sure it's marketed as a 14-inch pizza, but at the end of the day, it was 13. 6 slices per pizza, but a very good pizza. Now, when I ordered it, I was very hungry. So it could have been very shitty pizza like Little Caesars, and I would have still enjoyed the hell out of it. But I bought 2 of these, and of course, you're going to eat them over several meals, 6 meals. I think I did it, and the last one was just as fucking good as the first one. I throw them in the toaster oven. Bottom line, it is a very, very good pizza. Excellent ingredients, excellent crust, very, very tasty. And I can see why they're ranked in the top 100 across the country. There's a bazillion pizza places. To make the top 28, you have to have a very good pizza. There was 2 stores in Las Vegas that made it. Pizza Rock was one, and there was another one. Anyways, I should have paid attention to the other one too, but I'm sure it's not close to me. Okay, let's put this bike away. These dogs think they're gonna go for a walk now. That's not the way the world works. Okay, back up, back up. No walk this morning, we walk at night. I ride my bike in the morning. Back up, back up, back up, back up. I know you guys wanna go. Oh boy, they love going for walks. Oh, they love walking. They love walking. They wanna go for a walk. They love to walk. They love walking around the block. These dogs, man, I swear to God. You know, 2 months ago, 3 months ago, I didn't have time to walk these dogs. You know what I'm saying? No, I walk them every day. And they love going for walks. They love walks. Okay, I'm gonna shut you down. They just eat. Oh, fingertiplets, niblets on my fingertiplets. Wet no dog noses. Good girl. I gotta let you go. I gotta get that bike.